Alright guys, so this is going to be the daily recap for Friday, and going into the day, I was kind of bullish, kind of bearish. So what I saw was we were at the -2 to 2.5 of this standard deviation projection, and we tapped equilibrium of this range. So I wanted to see price go higher, but once we got this move higher, I wanted to see price come back down a little bit once we swept this Thursday high and we were in this -2 to 2.5 range with these new week opening Fs. So I took a trade right here. On the 5-minute, I saw this inversion, and then I also saw this CISD right here. So I was wanting to be bearish right here, especially because we just got this huge move up without any retracement. So I wanted to see rebounds to equilibrium or until this 830 Devils mark. So I was looking for shorts, and then I took a short right here. Okay, off of this inversion. Let me see what we had. So we had SMT highs right here, and then we kind of had this 3 drives formation. So I entered off of the when we created the inversion, and then we retraced into it, and then I had my stop was around like here, I think, and I was targeting down here. So yeah, I got my entry and then just got stopped out immediately, and I'm honestly not too sure what the problem was. Like, I don't think the higher time frame was too bullish, right? Because we did inverse this fair value gap, we did inverse this one as well. We also inversed this one. So I don't think the higher time frame was too bullish to the point where, you know, shorts were a bad idea, especially because of how we just expanded overnight, and then, you know, it would make sense to see equilibrium. But yeah, I guess it was bad conditions, I guess, because yeah, I mean, this looks like pretty choppy. And then let's see, yeah, we got a 70-point move during Asia, and then like 180-point move during London. So maybe that might be why price was a bit choppy. But to be honest, I'm not quite sure what went wrong. Maybe it's just bad conditions, and I should have realized kind of how choppy we were. I guess, yeah, like around here when we're chopping around, I should have kind of realized maybe that it wouldn't have been the best idea to take an entry right now. But I don't think there was too much that was wrong. It was just kind of how like the probabilities play out. Is just when you take these trades, there's always that probability that it's gonna just fail, right? So I'm kind of thinking it was that, but I definitely could have, I guess, been more aware of the conditions and kind of how like wicky and choppy these candles are. Yeah, I mean that's about it, I guess. Yeah, like cause this inversion up here looked very good. Like it looked pretty bearish. Like I thought it was gonna play out very nicely. But just kind of started chopping around maybe towards 0.5 of this range. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it for today's daily recap. I hope you guys have a great rest of your days and a great weekend off.